सो हॉकी इंडिया मेजर ध्यानचंद लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड 2023 जीति अशोक कुमार।
अशोक
हॉकी इंडिया बलबीर सिंह सीनियर अवार्ड फॉर प्लेयर ऑफ द ईयर वुमेन किए जीति। हॉकी इंडिया बलबीर सिंह सीनियर अवार्ड फॉर प्लेयर ऑफ द ईयर वुमेन सलीमा टेटे। हॉकी इंडिया बलबीर सिंह सीनियर अवार्ड फॉर प्लेयर ऑफ द ईयर मेन
मनप्रीत सिंह
हार्दिक सिंह
हार्दिक सिंह
who has become the only Indian weightlifter to qualify for Paris Olympics 2024.
मीराबाई चानू
Mirabai Channu, very good. Recently, which company has collaborated with Press Trust of India under its third-party fact-checking program in India? Which company has collaborated with PTI, Press Trust of India, for fact-checking program in India? Telegram, Meta, Google, X. Meta has collaborated. Meta has collaborated with PTI, Press Trust of India. Recently, which organization has launched Scores 2.0 to strengthen investor complaint redressal mechanism? Scores 2.0. Which organization has launched? RBI, SEBI, Ministry of Finance, SIDBI.
सेबी
बिल्कुल Securities Exchange Board of India SEBI has launched Scores 2.0 to strengthen investor complaint redressal mechanism.
सर रिसेंटली
बिल्कुल Recently, 3-day International Sanskrit Conclave was held at which place? 3-day International Sanskrit Conclave. New Delhi, Kathmandu, Janakpur, Varanasi.
वाराणसी
Kathmandu. Recently, 3-day International Sanskrit Conclave was held at Kathmandu. Matabari Peda has received GI tag recently. It is associated with which state? Matabari Peda. Telangana, Tripura, Nagaland, Chhattisgarh.
त्रिपुरा
Tripura, very good. Matabari Peda of Tripura has received GI tag recently. Which states Lakadam turmeric and Lirnai pottery and Chubichi rice liquor has got GI tag? Lirnai pottery, Lakadam turmeric and Chubichi, that is rice liquor. Northeastern state.
नागालैंड
Meghalaya.
मेघालय
Meghalaya. Lakadam ସବୁଠୁ important ହେଲା Lakadam turmeric that has recently secured GI tag. Which states Banaras Thandai received GI tag? Banaras Thandai of which state has secured
उत्तर प्रदेश
Uttar
उत्तर
Pradesh?
प्रदेश
बिल्कुल उत्तर प्रदेश. As per recent information, Meta Platforms will set up its first data center in India. In which city? Meta Platform will set up its first data center in India. In which city? Kochi, Chennai, Hyderabad, Gurugram.
Gurugram.
गुरुग्राम
Chennai. Meta Platforms will set up its first data center in India in Chennai. World's first emotionally intelligent voice AI has been developed by which company? World's first emotionally intelligent voice AI. Argo, Hume, DeepMind, NVIDIA. Hume. World's first emotionally intelligent voice AI has been developed by Hume. Alan Octavian Hume মনে পড়ছে?
यस सर कांग्रेस का संस्थापक
Recently, बिल्कुल. Who has won men's singles title at ATP Miami Open 2024? Grigor Dimitrov, Jannik Sinner, Simone Biles, Matthew Ebden.
जानिक सिन्नर
Very good. ऑप्शन एलिमिनेशन रे भी सेमती भी अन्य जो माने अछंती केही किछि एबे रिसेंटली जीति भी ना Jannik Sinner has won men's singles title at ATP Miami Open 2024. Recently, which port has emerged as largest Indian major port in cargo throughput in financial year 2024?
वाधवान पोर्ट.
Upasthi.
Largest Indian
Paradip.
major port in cargo throughput in financial year 2024. Mundra, Cochin, Paradip, Haldia.
पारादीप.
Paradip.
Paradip.
Paradip, very good. Paradip port has emerged as largest Indian major port in cargo throughput in financial year 24. Recently, which family or company has topped the recently released Forbes World's Billionaires List 2024, the top 200? Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Bernard Arnault and family, Jeff Bezos.
Tata.
Bernard Arnault and family has topped the recently released Forbes World's Billionaires List 2024, the top 200. Top रे थिले बर्नार्ड आर्नल्ड एंड फैमिली, सेकंड एलन मस्क, थर्ड रे जेफ बेजोस. Recently, which state has decided to release a special cover to commemorate 250 years of release of copper ticket, world's first postal ticket from the state? Which state has decided to release a special cover to commemorate 250 years of release of copper ticket? Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Gujarat.
झारखंड.
Bihar has decided to release a special
Bihar.
cover to commemorate 250 years of release of copper ticket, जोटा कि वर्ल्ड रो फर्स्ट पोस्टल टिकेट थिला फ्रॉम बिहार. Kathia Gehu has received GI tag. It is associated with which state? Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh. Kathia Gehu.
Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh, very good. Which organization has unveiled Sarah, the first digital health promoter prototype with enhanced empathy
WHO.
response? WHO, very good. WHO has unveiled Sarah, that is Smart AI Resource Assistant for Health. Smart AI Resource Assistant for Health. World's first digital health promoter prototype. Recently, who has been honored with TIOL Kautilya Global Award 2023? TIOL, TIOL कौन? Tax India Online. Tax India Online Kautilya Global Award 2023. Who has been honored with this? Vijay Kelkar, Jagdish N. Bhagwati, N.K. Singh, Arvind Panagaria.
Bhagwati.
Jagdish N. Bhagwati has been honored with TIOL Kautilya Global Award 2023. Who has set a history as the first woman from India to serve as a jury member at Paris Olympics 2024? Vinita Chanu,
Asmi
Dilkush me.
Prachi Yadav,
हाँ
Neha Devi Lechonbam,
कौन
Bilkis Mir.
हाँ बिल्किस है.
Bilkis Mir is set to create history as the first woman from India to serve as a jury member at Paris Olympics 2024. Who has been appointed as member of Economic Advisory Panel by World Bank Group? Rakesh Mohan, Usha Thorat, V. Liladhar, KJ Udesi.
Rakesh Mohan.
Rakesh Mohan has been appointed as member of EAP, that is Economic Advisory Panel by WBG, World Bank Group. Recently, Sagar Kavach 1 by 24 coastal security exercise were conducted in which union territory? Sagar Kavach 1 by 24.
लद
Lakshadweep.
Andaman.
Lakshadweep, very good. Lakshadweep.
लक्षद्वीप.
According to recently released Business Environment Rankings 2024, that is BER 2024, by Economist Intelligence Unit, which country has secured first rank? Business Environment Rankings 2024. Germany, Singapore, USA, Denmark.
Singapore.
Singapore.
Very good.
Singapore.
Recently, as per recent information, India has achieved its target to eliminate which disease? Malaria, Kala Azar, polio, lymphatic filariasis.
Kala-Azar.
Kala-Azar.
Kala Azar, very good. Recently, which Indian Defence Force has commenced the induction of indigenous Akash Tir control and reporting system to enhance its air defense capability? Which defense force?
Indian Army.
Yeah.
Indian Army, very good. Indian Army. Akash Tir control and reporting systems. Recently, who has been nominated as a member of Athletic Commission of Asian Athletics Association? Manikanta Hoblidhar, Jinson Johnson, Abraham Wilson, Amlan Borgohen. Who has been nominated as a member of Athletic Commission of AAA, Asian Athletics Commission Association?
D.
किए साइनी अब्राहम
Data.
विल्सन.
Data.
साइनी अब्राहम विल्सन. According to recently released report by WADA, that is World Anti-Doping Agency, which country has recorded highest number of drug cheats in the world in 2022?
India.
In-
India.
India.
India has recorded highest number of drug cheats in the world in 2022. Recently, which company has unveiled its latest innovation known as Voice Engine? Google DeepMind, Anthropic, OpenAI, XAI.
Google on Metric.
Voice Engine,
OpenAI.
OpenAI. OpenAI has unveiled its latest innovation known as Voice Engine. Who has been appointed as 8th Executive Secretary of Secretariat of CBD, that is Convention on Biological Diversity. 8th Executive Secretary of Secretariat of CBD. Miguel Berger, Andreas Michaels, Philip Ackerman, Astrid Schoemaker.
Last.
Very good. Astrid Schoemaker has been appointed as 8th Executive Secretary of Secretariat of Convention on Biological Diversity. Who has written the new book, The Idea of Democracy? Ajay Bisaria, Sam Pitroda, Geetika Srivastava, Testimony.
Sam Pitoda.
Sam
Sam
Pitroda.
Pitroda.
Sam Pitroda, very good. Next. Who has been appointed as chairman of committee focused on safeguarding the forest in Delhi? Justice Wajmi Naziri, Justice Najmi Waziri, Justice Gaurang Kant, Justice Yogesh Khanna, Justice Satish Chandra Sharma. Committee on Safeguarding the Forests in Delhi. Justice
Chief
Najmi Waziri. Justice Najmi Waziri. India will stop importing area by the end of which year? India will stop importing urea by the end of which year?
2030.
30 2030
2025. 2025.
sorry
Next.
India.
As per recent information, PM Modi is said to become the first Prime Minister of India to feature on the cover of Newsweek. After whom? प्रथमे किए थिले आ पूर्वरु Newsweek.
ଇଣ୍ଡିଆର ନା ଆଉ କୋଉଠର?
इंडिया ହିଁ
ଇନ୍ଦିରା ଗାନ୍ଧୀ.
इंदिरा गांधी बिल्कुल. The PM Modi is said to become the first Prime Minister of India to feature on the cover of Newsweek after Indira Gandhi. Recently, Meeraj Tanpura of which state has received GI tag? Meeraj Tanpura. Telangana, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh.
ମଧ୍ୟପ୍ରଦେଶ.
Maharashtra.
Madhya Pradesh.
Miras Tanpura of Maharashtra has received GI tag. Recently, which Indian naval ship has been awarded with on-the-spot unit citation for successful conduct of anti-piracy operation? Which Indian naval ship has been awarded with on-the-spot unit citation for successful conduct of anti-piracy operation? INS Kolkata, INS Sardul, INS Sarda, INS Trisul.
Any Sarda.
Cheetah. Arda.
INS Sarda has been awarded with on-the-spot unit citation for successful conduct of anti-piracy operation. Subidha platform has been developed by which body of India? CAG, CBC, ECI, NITI Aayog. Subidha platform.
Option
Subhida Patlam ECI.
ECI, very good. Election Commission of
Election
India.
Commission of India.
Bilkul. Subidha platform was developed by Election Commission of India. Recently, who has been appointed as full-time member of 16th Finance Commission? Anup Singh, Manoj Panda.
Arvind Pan
Arvind
Or,
Pangadia.
or Arvind Panagaria.
Manoj Panda.
Manoj
Manoj
Pandey.
Panda.
Manoj
Manoj
Pandey.
Oh,
Pandey.
sorry, sir.
Full-time member କହିଥିଲି ତ Manoj Panda has been
Full time.
appointed as full-time member of 16th Finance Commission. Recently, which organization has unveiled its official brand new logo with the tagline "Fueling Sustainable Growth"? Fueling Sustainable Growth is the tagline. Bharat Coking Coal Limited, Mahanadi Coalfields Limited, Central Coalfields Limited, Eastern Coalfields Limited.
Mahanadi Coalfield Limited.
Fueling Sustainable Growth.
Fueling sustainable growth.
It is the tagline of and brand new logo has been unveiled by Central Coalfields Limited (CCL). Recently, which country's central bank has launched new currency backed by gold and foreign currencies? South Africa, Jamaica, Zimbabwe, Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Zimbabwe. Central Bank of
Nigeria.
Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe has launched new currency backed by gold and foreign currencies. India has gained operational control over Sitwe port. It is located in which country? Sitwe port. Iran, Myanmar,
Myanmar.
Bangladesh.
Myanmar. Myanmar.
Which country has received first batch of Russia-made Igla S man portable air defense system? South Korea, Israel, India, Japan.
South
India.
Korea.
India has received
India.
first batch of Russia-made Igla S man portable air defense system. तो एग्जाम रे एमती भी आसी पारे इग्लास मैन पोर्टेबल एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम को कंट्री रो रशिया. Recently,
Later Russia.
ISRO has been awarded with 2024 John L. Jack Swigert Jr. Award for which mission?
Chandrayaan 3.
Chandrayaan 3.
Chandrayaan 3.
Very good. Chandrayaan 3. ISRO has been awarded with 2024 John L. Jack Swigert Jr. Award for space exploration for its Chandrayaan 3 mission. Which company has rolled out a new version of AI chip Gaudi 3? Intel, Nvidia, Qualcomm, AMD.
NVIDIA.
New AI chip Gaudi 3.
Intel. Intel.
Intel, बिल्कुल. Intel Corporation. As per recently released Global Unicorn Index 2024, India's rank is what?
Third.
Third. Top country?
USA.
USA.
USA. Recently, who has been selected as coach of senior national women's hockey team? Coach of senior national women's hockey team: Romesh Pothania, Harendra Singh, Sarpal Singh, Ashok Kumar.
Harendra Singh.
Harendra.
Narendra Singh.
बिल्कुल. Indo-Pacific Economic Framework for Prosperity (IPEF) hosted its
India.
first clean economy investor forum in which country?
India.
Option रे नहीं. Cambodia, Thailand, Indonesia, Singapore.
Singapore.
Thailand.
Singapore.
Thailand.
Singapore. Indo-Pacific Economic Framework for Prosperity hosted its first clean economy investor forum in Singapore. According to recently released global hepatitis report by which organization?
WHO.
WHO.
WHO, बिल्कुल. So, Global Hepatitis Report 2024 by WHO, viral hepatitis has caused how many deaths in 2022? 2022 रे viral hepatitis रे केते death हितला? 1.1 million, 1.3 million, 1.5 million, 1.7 million.
1.3.
1.3 million. Viral hepatitis has caused 1.3 million deaths globally in 2022. Who has recently won WOW World Literary Prize in the world of literature? ममताजी सागर, गिरीश कर्नाड, एस.एल. भैरप्पा, विजय डब्बे.
ममताजी सागर
Literary Prize. बिल्कुल, ममताजी सागर has won WOW World Literary Prize. Recently, which payments company has partnered with Nepal's digital wallet service eSeva and Hotel Association of Nepal Pokhara to promote digital payments through UPI? Bharat,
India.
PhonePe, Paytm, Razorpay.
फोन
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 पे
पे
हाँ, फोन पे.
फोन पे
PhonePe. PhonePe has partnered with Nepal's digital wallet service eSeva and Hotel Association of Nepal Pokhara to promote digital payments through UPI. Which bank has become the first private sector bank to inaugurate a branch in Lakshadweep's Kavaratti Island?
एचडीएफसी
HDFC. Very good.
HDFC.
HDFC Bank. Which country has deployed its Sea Dome defense system for the first time? Sea Dome.
Israel.
Israel. Very good. Israel has deployed its Sea Dome defense system for the first time. Who has been re-elected as member of International Narcotics Control Board? Jagjit Pavadia, Vishal Sharma, Parameswaran Iyer, Sanjay Verma.
जगदीश
Fogade.
पावड़िया
Jagjit Pavadia. Very good. The government of India has come up with a new digital platform to disburse subsidies to horticulture farmers. What is the name of the platform? To disburse subsidies to horticulture farmers. CDP Kisan, CDP Raksha, CDP Suraksha, CDP Krisak.
सीडीवी सुरक्षा
Very good. CDP Suraksha is the platform to disburse subsidies to horticulture farmers. Fifth edition of joint military exercise Dostlik was commenced between India and which country?
उज्बेकिस्तान
Uzbekistan.
मंगोलिया
Uzbekistan.
Uzbekistan. Very good. Dostlik, fifth edition.
Very good.
UK has appointed which who among the following as the first woman high commissioner to India? UK has appointed who
यूके
as its
लिंडी कैमरन
Kahaku. Very good. Lindy Cameron. Very good. UK has appointed Lindy Cameron as its first woman high commissioner to India. Manoj Mittal has been selected as next CMD of which organization? Manoj Mittal, Chairman and Managing Director of which organization? NABARD, NHB, SIDBI, SEBI.
सीडबी
सभी
Nabar.
SIDBI, very good.
Nabar.
Small Industries Development Bank of India ର ନୂଆ CMD ହେବେ ମନୋଜ ମିତ୍ତଲ. According to recently released World Cyber Crime Index, which country has topped the list? Russia,
USA.
China, Ukraine,
USA.
Nigeria.
USA.
Option ରେ ନାହିଁ. Russia,
रसिया
China, Ukraine, Nigeria.
Russia.
Russia
Russia.
ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ପାଇଁ ଏ ଇଣ୍ଡେକ୍ସ ରିଲିଜ୍ ହେଇଛି ୱାର୍ଲଡ ସାଇବର କ୍ରାଇମ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡେକ୍ସ. ତ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ରେ ଆସିପାରେ କୋଉ ଏଡିସନ୍ ଥିଲା ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଏଡିସନ୍, ଅନ୍ୟ କୋଉ ଏଡିସନ୍ ଥିଲେ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ରେ ଆସିବନି, ଯଦି ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଏଡିସନ୍ ହେଲେ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ରେ ଆସେ. The first edition of World Cyber Crime Index was released and topped by Russia. And what was India's rank? କିଏ କହିବ?
10th.
10th. Very good. 10th.
10th.
Who has authored the book The Law and Spirituality Reconnecting the Bond? The Law and Spirituality Reconnecting the Bond. Romila Thapar, Arundhati Roy, Raman Mittal, Ramachandra Guha.
रामन मित्तल
Raman Mittal, very good.
रोमिला थप्पड़
Raman Mittal has authored the book The Law and Spirituality Reconnecting the
Oh.
Bond. Who has been honored with and has become the first Indian monk to be honored with US President's Gold Volunteer Service Award. US President's Gold Volunteer Service Award. First Indian monk. Acharya Pragya Sagar,
आचार्य
Acharya Lokesh Muni, Acharya Prem Suri.
आचार्य लोकेश मुनी
Acharya
लोकेश
Lokesh
Lokesh
Muni.
मुनी
Muni.
Lokesh Muni.
Very good, very good. Acharya Lokesh Muni has become
Lokesh Muni.
first Indian monk to be honored with US President's Gold Volunteer Service Award. ISRO is developing a new spaceport at which place? Kovalam,
तमिलनाडु
Ubhar, Kerala, Kulasekharapattinam, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, sorry, Bhimbar, Tamil Nadu.
कुलशेखरपट्टनम तमिलनाडु
Kulasekharapattinam, Tamil Nadu re ISRO is developing a new spaceport. Who has been awarded with 2024 John Dirks Canada Gardner Global Health Award? 2024 John Dirks Canada Gardner Global Health Award. Gagandeep Kang, Sandra Desa Sauja, Sushobhan Banerjee, Sanjeev Misra. Gagandeep Kang has been honored with 2024 John Dirks Canada Gardner Global Health Award. Which organization has released a report titled Women, Business and the Law 2024? Women, Business and the Law 2024. IMF, WEF, World Bank, ADB.
वर्ल्ड बैंक
World Bank, very good. World
World
Bank
Bank.
has released the report Women, Business and the Law 2024. Which football club has won their first Bundesliga title? Bayer Leverkusen.
लेवरकुसन
Very good. Bayer Leverkusen has won their first Bundesliga title. ମନେ ପଡୁଛି?
Nine.
କୁମାର ଗୌରବ ରେକର୍ଡ ହଉଛି ତ?
ଆଜି ରେକର୍ଡିଂ ହଉଛି
ତମକୁ ପଚାରୁଛି ନା? Which organization has received Navratna status from Ministry of Finance? Airports Authority of India, BEML Limited, Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency, Bharat Coking Coal Limited.
Indian Renewable Energy Development.
Cool. Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency IREDA has received Navratna status from Ministry of
ଏଇଟା କହିଥିଲେ
26th edition of World Energy Congress was held in which place? 20
ନେଦରଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ
Netherlands.
Netherlands
Amsterdam.
Rotterdam रे हितला World Energy Congress 26th edition. It was co-hosted by World Energy Council. Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO Defense Ministers meeting को country रे हितला Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan,
ରଷିଆ ରଷିଆ
Uzbekistan. SCO
ରଷିଆ
Defense
ଉଜବେକିସ୍ତାନ.
Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan.
Shanghai Cooperation Organization Defense Ministers meeting was held in
Held in
Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan.
Which country has topped the medal tally at 2024 Hyundai Archery World Cup Stage 1? South Korea,
China.
India, Austria.
ସାଉଥ କୋରିଆ
South Korea.
India has topped the medal tally at 2024 Hyundai Archery World Cup Stage 1. Jyoti Surekha Bhennam is associated with which sports?
archery,
Very good. Abhishek Verma?
archery.
Archery.
ଆର୍ଚେରୀ ଦିଟା ଅଛି, ଗୋଟେ ରିକର୍ଭ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ ଅଛି?
ହଁ ରିକର୍ଭ ଅଛି ଗୋଟେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ମନେ ପଡୁନି। କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡ ଆର୍ଚରୀ ଅଛି ଗୋଟେ।
ହଁ କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡ, ଏମାନେ ସବୁ କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡ ବାଲା, ଯୋଉଟା କି ଅଲମ୍ପିକ ରେ ପାର୍ଟ ନିଏନି। ରିକର୍ଭ ଟା ଅଲମ୍ପିକ ରେ।
ହଁ। आईसीसी वोमेन्स टी20 वर्ल्ड कप क्वालिफायर 2024 आंबासाडर किए थे? आईसीसी वोमेन्स टी20 वर्ल्ड कप क्वालिफायर 2024 साना मीर, अनम अमीन,
ସେ ପାକିସ୍ତାନର ସାନା ଆଡେ।
Tanamir.
ନାମୀ
Namir.
साना मीर. Who is the author of the new book The Winner's Mindset? Shane Watson.
ସେନ୍ ୱାଟସନ୍,
Stan
ସେନ୍ ୱାଟସନ୍।
Shane
Watson.
Watson. Which country has launched Chang'e 6 mission?
ଚାଇନା,
China.
China. World's largest airport terminal is being built at which city?
यूएई।
ऑप्शन है शारजाह, अबू धाबी, दुबई, रासल खाइमा.
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi.
Dubai. World's largest airport terminal is being built at Dubai, UAE. Who is set to pilot Starliner spacecraft to International Space Station? एग्जाम रे किंतु एंती पड़िबनी जे जाइथिले से को स्पेसक्राफ्ट रे जाइथिले पड़िबो स्टारलाइनर. तो एबे तो एंती पचार देछि किए जाइथिला स्टारलाइनर स्पेसक्राफ्ट रे इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन. राकेश शर्मा, सुनीता विलियम्स, राजाचारी, सिरिस.
सुनीता विलियम्स।
ସୁନିତା
तो
ୱିଲିୟମ୍ସ।
एग्जाम रे एटा पड़िबनी, स्पेसक्राफ्ट ना पड़िबो स्टारलाइनर. नेक्स्ट.
Stall.
Sunita.
Which organization has recently released Navratna status? Bharat Dynamics Limited, Central Warehousing Corporation, Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited, Airports Authority of India.
Bharat
Option three.
Dynamic Energy.
Na
BDL.
Airports Authority of India.
Nahi, HUDCO, Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited. HUDCO has received Navratna status. Recently, which institute has developed a speech technology LOQU, LOQU, to generate human speech signals directly from vocal cord vibration signals? VU Varanasi, IIT Madras, IIT Guwahati, IISc Bangalore.
IIT Guwahati.
Guwahati.
Very good.
आईआईएससी बेंगलोर।
IIT
Guwahati.
Guwahati has developed
IIT Guwahati.
speech technology LOQU to generate human speech signals directly from vocal cord vibration signals. India's first constitution park has been developed in which city?
ରାଜସ୍ଥାନ,
पुणे।
Pune. Very good. Indian Army and
Maharashtra.
Udit Balan Group have collaborated to inaugurate India's first constitution park in Pune. Who has been both important 100% assure recent exam re? Awarded with Goldman Environmental Prize 2024.
Arunima Sinha.
नाही ऑप्शन मेधा पाटकर, राजेंद्र सिंह,
आलोक शुक्ला।
ପରେ ନାଟା ଅଛି ପିରେ
ना पीरे भी नहीं. आलोक शुक्ला.
आलोक शुक्ला।
Alok Shukla, very good. Alok Shukla has been awarded with Goldman Environmental Prize 2024. Alok Shukla.
something is there yeah.
Next. 20th edition of World Athletics Championship will be held in which city? 20th edition of World Athletics Championship. Tokyo, Japan, Seoul, South Korea, Beijing, China, New Delhi, India.
ବେଜିଂ ଚାଇନା।
World Athletics Championship 20th edition, Tokyo, Japan. Which company has developed Tactic AI? Meta, Microsoft, Amazon, Google. Tactic AI.
Google
Google, very good. Google. Ajrak from which state has received GI tag? Ajrak.
ଗୁଜରାଟ,
Gujarat. Very good.
Rajasthan
Gujarat.
Rajasthan.
Gujarat.
Ajrak.
Ajrak from
Gujarat.
Gujarat has received GI tag. BW
ଖଜୁରୀଟା।
बहुत important. ଏବେ ଯୋଉଟା ପଚାରିବି, India will host BWF, that is କଣ?
OWF,
BWF.
बैडमिंटन वर्ल्ड फेडरेशन।
Very good. Badminton World Federation headquarter
Kuala Lumpur
Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So India will host BWF World Junior Championship 2024 5 in which city?
ଆସାମ, Assam.
Very good.
Assam.
Guwahati.
Guwahati, Assam. Recently, which organization has unveiled Climate Promise 2025 initiative? Climate Promise 2025. UNEP, UNDP, World Bank, UNFCCC.
UNEP.
UNEP.
UNDP.
Very good. United Nations Development Program
Development Program.
has unveiled Climate Promise 2025. बहुत important 100% ଆସିବ 2024 World Press Freedom Index इंडिया रो रैंक केते थिला 155 157
150,
160
159.
वेरी गुड
159.
159 2024 World Press Freedom Index India's rank was 159 and topped by which country?
USA.
Norway. Norway topped by Norway. First India-made semiconductor chips will be introduced by which company in 2025? India-made first semiconductor chips will be introduced by which company?
Mindgrow.
AMD,
Mindgrow.
Nvidia, Micron Technology, Intel.
Micron.
Micron.
Very good. First India-made semiconductor chips will be introduced by Micron Technology in 2025. Who has been officially bestowed with title of Grand Master by FIDE? वैशाली रमेश बाबू, राव शरण, दिव्या देशमुख, LRC.
Vaishali Ramesh Babu.
बिल्कुल.
Ramesh Babu.
So, वैशाली रमेश बाबू has been officially bestowed with the title of Grand Master. कितना नंबर Grand Master?
85.
Very good.
84.
85 ना 84?
85.
85 ରେ ଆଉ ଜଣେ ଥିବ ତାଙ୍କ
ହଁ
ପରେ ଆଉ
84.
ଜଣେ
84. ହଁ 84.
84th. 85th किए?
ଗୋଟେ ସେଇ ତାମିଲନାଡୁ କିଏ ଗୋଟେ
बहुत इंपोर्टाट कहीं ग्रांड मास्टर डायरेक्ट एग्जाम रे पड़े एमती पड़ोनी जे 85th एबे हेची माने 85th पड़िबो 83rd पचारिबो मोर एग्जाम रे बहुत थोर एमती
ऑप्शन
लास्ट
देखिले
चारटा रिसेंट चारटा जो माने ग्रांड मास्टर थिबे मने रखिया दरकार पी श्याम निखिल हेचंती रिसेंट 85th तो आ मोस्टली रेलवे एग्जाम रे 100% आसे केबे मिस करिबोनी से रेलवे पचारियो है
रेलवे
और रेलवे रे करंट अफेयर्स पूरा 1 ईयर जानिबा दरकार नेक्स्ट Google has released a doodle on Hamita Banu. Hamita Banu was associated with which sports? Badminton, hockey,
Wrestling.
boxing, wrestling.
Wrestling.
Wrestling, बिल्कुल. Kareena Kapoor Khan has been appointed as national ambassador of which organization?
यूनिसेफ
International
UNICEF.
UNICEF India.
UNICEF.
Very good.
UNICEF India.
India. CAG, Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Article कितने?
148
148.
148.
So CAG of India has signed MOU with which country to enhance collaboration and exchange of expertise in field of auditing? Bangladesh, Nepal,
Nepal.
Bhutan, Myanmar.
Nepal.
Nepal. Very good. Nepal. India's first astro tourism campaign has been introduced in which state? India,
Uttarakhand.
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 India's first
Uttarakhand.
astro tourism campaign has been introduced in Uttarakhand. Who has been named laureates of 2024? बहुत important. UNESCO
Messi.
20 कौन पचारुଥିଲି କହିଲ?
लॉरेंस अवार्ड तो
नहीं. Who has been named laureates of 2024 UNESCO Guillermo Cano World Press Freedom Prize? ହେଲା 2024 UNESCO that is Guillermo Cano World Press Freedom Prize. ऑप्शन ହେଲା मारिया रेसा ऑफ फिलीपाइंस, बेलारूस.
Palestine.
बहुत बढ़िया. Palestinian journalist have been named the winner of 2024 UNESCO Guillermo Cano World Press Freedom Prize. बहुत important. Who has been appointed as the president of GST Appellate Tribunal? Rajesh
Sanjay Kumar Mishra.
Sanjay Kumar Mishra. Very good. गोटे नुआ भेरिएंट बाहाची फ्लड को डिजीज रो कोविड-19 मीजल्स जापानीज एन्सेफालाइटिस
First
Covid.
dita कहतो.
फ्लड A new variant of which disease?
କୋଭିଡ ର
Option
COVID-19 very good COVID-19 ର ନୂଆ ଭେରିଏଣ୍ଟ ହେଉଛି ଫ୍ଲଟ୍ ଯୋଉଟା ୟୁଏସଏ ରେ ସ୍ପ୍ରେଡ୍ ହେଇଛି Recently, which country has launched World Castor Sustainability Forum? World Castor Sustainability Forum. Brazil, China, India, Thailand.
Thailand.
India. India has launched World Castor Sustainability Forum. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପଚରା ହେଉଛି କୋଉ ମନ୍ଥ କିଏ କହିପାରିବ
July maybe.
ମେ
August ପଚାଉନ ଯେ
ପୁରୁଣାରୁ ମୁଁ ଯାଏ which country has launched its maiden lunar mission iCube Comer that is iCube କୋଉ कंट्रीର ଫାଷ୍ଟ lunar mission ଯାହା ନାଁ ହେଉଛି iCube Comer ଯାହା ସର୍ଟରେ କହନ୍ତି iCube
ଜାପାନ
କୋରିଆ
ଜାପାନ
ସେ
Pakistan
ପଳେଇଛି
Pakistan has launched its first lunar mission that is iCube Comer which company has launched India's first commercial system on chip that is secure internet of things India's first commercial system on chip jahaku kuhajae secure
ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ଗ୍ରୋ
internet of things Mindgrove very good Mindgrove has launched India's first commercial system on chip named secure internet of things को कंपनी लॉन्च करछि इंडियाज फर्स्ट बहुत इंपोर्टेंट 100% पड़िबो इंडियाज फर्स्ट लार्ज लैंग्वेज मॉडल नोन
Sesame.
सेसामे
ସେସମ ସେତୁ
को
Sesame
कंपनी
Setu.
लॉन्च करछि को कंपनी पचरली सेतु वेरी गुड सेतु हैज लॉन्च्ड सेसामे दैट इज इंडियाज फर्स्ट लार्ज लैंग्वेज मॉडल एग्जाम रे पढ़ी पारे मॉडल ना कोन सेसामे को कंपनी अनवील करछि सेतु 2024 बहुत इंपोर्टेंट पुलिजर प्राइज 2024 फॉर पब्लिक सर्विस को ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को मिलिबो न्यूयॉर्क टाइम्स प्रो पब्लिका एसोसिएटेड प्रेस राउटर्स पुलिजर प्राइज 2024 फॉर पब्लिक सर्विस प्रो पब्लिका तो दुईटा इंपोर्टेंट पुलिजर प्राइज फॉर फिक्शन मिलिबो मिलिछि काहाकू के जानिछो
ହଁ ଏପାଳି ମିଳିଥିଲା 5 ଜଣ ଏସିଆର ହିଁ ସିଏ ଏବେ ବି କଣ ଗୋଟେ ପାଇଥିଲା ବି ସିଏ ନୋବେଲ ନାଇଁ ତ ସେ ଯୋଉ କଣ ହେଇଥିଲା
कहली फिक्शन रे काहाकू मिलिछि व्यक्ति नुह
ଗୋଟେ ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜେସନ କୁ ମିଳିଛି ଯିଏ କି
नाइट वॉच को मिलिछि
ନାଁଟା କଣ ମନେ ପଡୁଛି
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ही नुह नाइट वॉच
ଏ କଣ ଫଟୋସପ ବାଲା ନା କଣ ଗୋଟେ ଥିଲା
किछि फोटोशॉप नुह
ଆରେ ଥିଲା ମୋ
पुलिजर प्राइज 2024 फॉर फिक्शन मिलिछि नाइट वॉच जोटा लिखिचंती जेन एन फिलिप्स लिखिचंती बुक रो ना हला नाइट वॉच फिक्शन रे मिलिछि ड्रामा रे मिलिछि प्राइमरी ट्रस्ट लिखिचंती इबोनी बुथ तो दीटा इंपोर्टेंट पुलिजर प्राइज रे बुक रे ही पड़े मेनली फिक्शन आउ ड्रामा फिक्शन रे मिलिछि नाइट वॉच ऑथर्ड बाय जेन एन फिलिप्स एंड ड्रामा रे प्राइमरी ट्रस्ट बाय इबोनी बुथ Which state government has decided to become part of Smart PDS? Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Chhattisgarh. Smart PDS. Kerala. Which company is all set to launch world's first CNG powered motorcycle? World's first CNG powered motorcycle. Hero Motocorp, Bajaj Auto, Suzuki, TVS Motors.
ବଜାଜ
Bajaj Auto.
ବଜାଜ
Bajaj Auto is all set to launch world's first CNG powered motorcycle. BWF Thomas Cup 2024 किए जितिला काहाकू हरेला
ଚାଇନା ଜିତିଲା
काहाकू
China.
हरेला
ଇଣ୍ଡୋନେସିଆକୁ
इंडोनेशिया उबर कप किए जितिला
ସେମ୍
China.
ଚାଇନା
Same.
ଇଣ୍ଡୋନେସିଆ
चाइना जितिला इंडोनेशिया को हरेला बहुत इंपोर्टेंट उबर कप काहा काहा किए खेले मेन ना वुमेन
ମେନ୍
मेन
ଓମେନ୍
मेन ना वुमेन
ଓମେନ୍ ଓମେନ୍ ଓଭର ଓମେନ୍
वुमेन ଆଉ थॉमस कप
ମେନ୍
मेन
Men.
तो दीटा जाक जानिबा दरकार जे दीटा जाक को खेल सह रिलेटेड
ଟେବୁଲ ଟେନିସ୍
ଟେନିସ୍
ସରି ଯିବ ସବୁ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ରେ ଆସିବ ଟେବୁଲ ଟେନିସ୍ ହେଲେ ଆଉ କଣ ହବ बैडमिंटन वर्ल्ड फेडरेशन BWF कहूची पा BWF थॉमस कप BWF उबर कप नेक्स्ट which organization has developed smart system that is supersonic missile assisted release of torpedo system
DRDO.
DRDO very good DRDO has successfully flight tested smart system that is supersonic missile assisted release of torpedo system exercise Gagan strike 2
Punjab.
इंडियन आर्मी रो खड़ग कॉर्प्स कंडक्ट कला तो कोठी हेतला एक्सरसाइज
पंजाब रे.
2 वेरी गुड पंजाब रे हेतला एक्सरसाइज गगन स्ट्राइक 2 वर्ल्ड माइग्रेशन रिपोर्ट 2024 अनुसार व्हिच कंट्री हैज बिकम फर्स्ट कंट्री टू रिसीव ओवर $100 बिलियन इन रेमिटेंसेस
India.
India India has become the first country to receive over $100 billion in remittances in 2022 किए फास्ट बॉलर हेले इंडियन बॉलर जे 350 विकेट नेले टी20 रे
Yuvendra Chahal.
युजवेंद्र
Chahal, Chahal.
युजवेंद्र चहल वेस्ट नाइल फीवर को मॉस्किटो द्वारा व्यापे एडिज एनोफिलिस क्यूलेक्स साल्मोनेला टाइफी
Addicts.
क्यूलेक्स मॉस्किटो वेस्ट नाइल फीवर भाइरस द्वारा व्यापे मॉस्किटो हला क्यूलेक्स मॉस्किटो
Niger रे व्यापिଥିଲା ବୋଧେ.
कौन हाँ बिल्कुल
Niger रे व्यापिଥିଲା ना.
नाइजर रे
Elveras.
और सबुठु फास्ट सब बेले कोनोसी भी नुआ डिजीज आसिले रिपोर्ट हुए केरला रे which country has begun a decontamination process to dismantle its first commercial nuclear reactor Kori 1 nuclear reactor को country decontamination process start करी
Russia.
फ्रांस जापान साउथ कोरिया चाइना कोरी 1
साउथ कोरिया
साउथ कोरिया पीरुल लाओ पैसे पाओ कैंपेन को स्टेट गवर्नमेंट लॉन्च करथिला
उत्तराखंड
उत्तराखंड पेरोल ला पैसा.
बिल्कुल which country and Nagaland government joined hands in construction of Kohima Peace Memorial commemorating
Japan.
World War II very good Japan Japan and Nagaland government had joined hands in construction of Kohima Peace Memorial commemorating World War II Google तार लॉन्च करची सिक्योर एंड प्राइवेट डिजिटल पर्स फॉर ऑल एंड्रॉइड यूजर्स तार ना कोन गूगल लॉकर गूगल वॉलेट गूगल पॉकेट गूगल स्पेस
Google Wallet.
Google Wallet.
गूगल वॉलेट एबे आसिलो ना सोई पड़तला
ना ଟିକେ लेट ରେ ଆସିଲି
माली थाई की बोधे कहून नेक्स्ट इंडिया एंड व्हिच कंट्री आर सेट टू कंडक्ट 7th एडिशन ऑफ शक्ति मिलिटरी एक्सरसाइज
France,
इंडिया एंड
France,
फ्रांस
France. India, France.
कोठी हेतला
मेघालयर उमरोई
वेरी गुड
हम्म।
कोई मेघालय
कोड इतला
उमरोई मेघालय कहली जे नेक्स्ट हु हैज बिकम 85th ग्रैंड मास्टर ऑफ इंडिया 85th ग्रैंड मास्टर
Christian Nikhil.
पी श्याम निखिल वेरी गुड Which city has launched an innovative gaming visa? Abu Dhabi,
मध्य प्रदेश.
Sharjah, Dubai, Ras Al Khaimah.
दुबई. दुबई.
Dubai has launched innovative gaming visa. Which is the first country in modern history to lose all of its glaciers? Colombia, Venezuela,
Venezuela.
Ecuador,
Venezuela.
Venezuela.
Venezuela बिल्कुल को कंट्री को स्टेट रो फर्स्ट वुमेन डीजीपी हेले इडा सिसा नोंगरांग
मेघालय.
मेघालय
मेघालय.
मेघालय इडा सिसा नोंगरांग आज टू नुआ ना अर्जित रो ना ना नो नो वुमेन तो ही परिबो ओ माइंड करिबनी हला मु एंती ना दिए समस्तंकर 19th
आगे सर किसी नहीं चलो.
United Nations Forum on Forest कोठी हितला 19th edition of United Nations Forum on Forest UNFF 19 कोठी हितला म्यूनिक जर्मनी पर्थ ऑस्ट्रेलिया न्यूयॉर्क यूएसए ब्रुसेल्स बेल्जियम
पर्थ ऑस्ट्रेलिया
जर्मनी
न्यूयॉर्क रे हितला 19th एडिशन ऑफ यूनाइटेड नेशंस फोरम ऑन फॉरेस्ट वाज हेल्ड इन न्यूयॉर्क यूएसए बहुत इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन नुहे चाबाहार पोर्ट को कंट्री रे अछि
ईरान
ईरान
ईरान रे अछि रिसेंटली व्हिच मिनिस्ट्री हैज सैंक्शनड 113 टा रोड अंडर वाइब्रेंट विलेज प्रोग्राम इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश उत्तराखंड एंड सिक्किम वाइब्रेंट विलेज प्रोग्राम अंडर रे सैंक्शन करछि 113 टा रोड मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रूरल डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ डिफेंस मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स
रूरल
Rural
डेवलपमेंट
development.
Ministry of Home Affairs
होम अफेयर
has sanctioned 113 roads under Vibrant Village program in Arunachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Sikkim. Men's hockey team को कंट्री रो जितिला 2024 फास्ट सुल्तान अजलान शाह ट्रॉफी
जितिला जापान जितिला पाकिस्तान हरे
बिल्कुल जापान जितिला एटा तार फर्स्ट ट्रॉफी थिला सुल्तान अजलान शाह ट्रॉफी 2024 रे वर्ल्ड फुटबॉल डे केबे हुए
25 May
25th
में वेरी गुड 25th में दोहा डायमंड लीग 2024 रे नीरज चोपड़ा केते नंबर प्लेस रे थिले
second
तो सेकंड रोचे
सिल्वर जीति थिले
फर्स्ट के इतला
इतला गोटे चेक रिपब्लिक कोन
एबे ओलंपिक्स जे थर्ड हेची से सेड फर्स्ट इतला
ना ओलंपिक्स रे थर्ड भी हिनी से किछि हेनी
है
आर थरो हितला सिल्वर जीतितला से Which company has released a new AI model GPT-4o 40 GPT-40 OpenAI Google Anthropic
ओपन एआई
OpenAI बिल्कुल 2024 बहुत important World Wildlife Crime Report has been released by which organization 2024 World Wildlife Crime Report UNEP UNFCCC UNCTAD UNODC
UNCTAD CTAD
UNODC, very good. United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime has released World Wildlife Crime Report. World Hydrogen Summit बहुत important 2024 कोठी हितला
Netherlands रे
नेदरलैंड्स रोटरडैम नेदरलैंड्स एयरक्राफ्ट कैरियर फुजियान was released by which country
चाइना
चाइना बिल्कुल
जापान
चाइना फुजियान इंडियन एयरफोर्स टेस्ट कला भीष्म क्यूब फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आग्रा उत्तर प्रदेश रे एटा गोटे कोन भीष्म क्यूब कोन मोबाइल जामर
Portable hospital
राडार
portable
मोबाइल
hospital
मोबाइल हॉस्पिटल भीष्म क्यूब ना भी पड़ी पारे किए टेस्ट कला भी पड़ी पारे इंडियन एयरफोर्स कोठी हला आग्रा उत्तर प्रदेश which company has introduced new AI agent project अस्त्र IBM Google Microsoft Meta
मेटा
Google has introduced new multimodal AI agent named Project Astra. Recently, which mango variety has made history by registering for the first time under PPV FRA New Delhi? Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers Rights Authority New Delhi रे register हमारे फर्स्ट टाइम को मैंगो वेराइटी तोतापुरी चिंता मैंगो मूलगोआ हिमसागर
Sagar
चिंता मैंगो variety has made history. Who has become first Indian women paddler that is paddler माने कौन
चाली बानो
table tennis player who has become first Indian women paddler, that is table tennis player, to break into top 25 of world women's singles ranking. किए प्रथम होइथिले जे कि वर्ल्ड रो टॉप 20
ମନିକା ବାତ୍ରା
करथिले मोनिका बात्रा किंतु एबे टॉप रे अछंती तांकर आगरे जणे श्रीजा आकुला
ଶ୍ରୀଜା ଆକୁଲା କିନ୍ତୁ କେହି ବି ଅଲମ୍ପିକ ରେ ଭଲ ଖେଳି ପାରିଲେନି।
केही नहीं जनरल केही खेली परंतरी पैरालिम्पिक्स बढ़िया खेलंती सब
ହଁ ପାରାଅଲିମ୍ପିକ ରେ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ 6ଟା ଗୋଲ୍ଡ ମେଡାଲ ଅଛି।
एपर्यंत कोन सरित गला which company has unveiled new product Gemini Flash 1.5 for chat complex tasks that require a fast response. Gemini Flash 1.5 Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Meta.
Google.
Google, very good.
Google.
India's first dedicated mythological platform has been introduced. What is its name? India's first dedicated mythological platform. Krishna, Vasudev, Hariom, Ganesha.
Vasudev.
Hariom, Hariom. ସମସ୍ତେ ଖାଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ନା କଣ?
ଖାଉଛି
ଖାଉଛ ତମେ?
ହୁଁ
ମୁଁ ଖାଇବି କେମିତି କଣ କରିବି କେମିତି? ଯେତେ AI ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ ଆଉ ମଡେଲ ବାହାରୁଛି ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ଲେଖିକି ଯଦି ପଢିବନି ହେଲେ ପୁରା କନଫ୍ୟୁଜନ ହବ ଏକ୍ସାମ ହଲରେ। Which company has introduced Polygama, company's first vision language model? Polygama. Meta, Microsoft, Amazon, Google. Google. Which country has announced plan for orangutan diplomacy initiative aimed at countries that purchase palm oil? In
Indonesia.
Malaysia, China, Thailand.
Malaysia.
Malaysia has announced plan for orangutan diplomacy aimed at countries that purchase palm oil. Which country has added a newly nuclear capable missile known as Bulava? Russia, Japan, Israel, China.
ରଷିଆ
Russia. Indian Army has launched Operation Sadbhavana in which state? Manipur, Assam, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh.
ଅରୁଣାଚଳ ପ୍ରଦେଶ।
ଗୋଟେ glacial lake outburst flood ହେଇଥିଲା ସେଇଠି ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ। Sikkim. Operation Sadbhavana was launched by Indian Army in Sikkim. First summit on clean cooking was organized in which city? First summit on clean cooking. Paris, France. Who has topped the recently released 2024 2024 Sunday Times Rich List? James Dyson and family, David and Simon Reuben and family, Gopi Hinduja and family, Jim Radcliffe. 2024 edition of Sunday Times Rich List. Gopi Hinduja and family. Second edition of India, Australia, Indonesia Trilateral Maritime Security Workshop कोठी हितला. India, Australia, Indonesia Trilateral Maritime Security Workshop. Chennai, Kochi, Visakhapatnam, Kolkata. कोच्चि